Well, I just had a bit of a whoopsie. Yes, it's been many years since I've done this, and normally if you do it with a team of painters, you got to buy a carton. So seeing there's nobody here, I don't have to buy anybody a carton. So this is what I've done. I'm cutting in these walls here up top, my pot, and I've moved my stool and it's gone down. Lovely. Now that's water-based paint. You can't get any paint on this carport, so I'm in trouble. So I need help. Okay, so normally I'd be buying a carton for somebody on site here. But like seeing there's nobody here, I'm going to buy somebody a carton. One of my subscribers are going to buy a carton to, and tell me how you would clean that up. And if you're right, I'll buy you a carton, which will be a PayPal donation to your PayPal account. Now, a carton of beer in Australia is around, $40. So that's about 30 US dollars. So you're going to do all right. Okay, so it's not a bad little win. Now, if there's 2 or 3 right answers, I'll just have to put the names in a thing, give it a shuffle, and pull a winner out. Okay. Now it's pretty simple how to clean this up. Remember, it's water-based paint. Alright, we want to keep this floor clean. Tell me how you clean it up. Make sure you subscribe to me, because you'll have to prove that you're subscribed to me for you to get that $40 AUD Australian dollar carton of beer. Catch you later. You win by my mistake. Bye.